Whoa. It's today fasting, oh.
Yes.
It's doing me giri. I'm about to faint. And as a Muslim, you must complete all fasting. If not, they say, during Aludono, Mecca will be so far away from you. Or Wanonu.
Afusa, which of your father tell you that one?
Ma, say what you Abi, have you done your wolimo?
No. I'm just coming for where to repair my clock.
Okay.
And this is after 7 now.
7 o'clock?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma.
Let me see. It's a lie. It's after 7, true. Oh, paro. Thank you. Hey, I talk and now say I'm supposed to have seen you. The weather is just doing somehow. The weather is so bright. Maybe a quiz be more low. That is why the weather is so bright. I should have played this thing down safe. It would have been so easier for me to just take it inside. This thing is spinning on him. Whoa. It's okay like that. Peeling this finish is like wasting resources. The orange is so sweet. Hey, Afusa, as usual. Oh, baby, ọdún kan péré. Wetin this one they talk? Oh, sinu ni. Shinu for where? When I'm just going for 4 o'clock Muslim prayer. Whoa, Afusa, now you sabi. Make I just dey go. Make I no go late for the prayer. You know you're ready now. By the keys, you say, and I will try to post the fastest small. And if I can't do again, to do that I will die by way. Let me this. I will kill you today. Kill this guy.